Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I found myself in the unfortunate situation where my old bed set was just falling apart and I needed a new one. Well, I'm so thankful for the one that I found. This brought me the comfort and luxury that I was looking for that I had in my old bed set, but gave it a sprucey new look. This set comes with 7 pieces, 2 pillowcases, 2 shams, 1 fitted sheet, 1 flat sheet, and the comforter. And I've got to say, I love every piece of this set. It's comfortable. It's so soft. I love the material that it's made out of. I want to brag a little bit about this fitted sheet. I have gone through a lot of them where they come undone during the night, and this one does not, even on nights when I'm tossing and turning. I love the embroidery on all of this. The detail on this bedspread is beautiful. I love the stitching on it. I know that this is going to last me a very long time. I got mine in a size queen, but it comes in other sizes and it fits perfectly on my bed. So if you are in the market for a new bedspread because your old one has just been loved to death, then look no further than this one. You will find the luxury, comfort, and durability that you're looking for.
And that's my point of view.